Good day everyone. My name is Lutian Muhammad Shaiki Lutian from ESIS 2C. Today I'm gonna recite a Zamboanga Polytechnic State University mission, vision, core values and objectives. Vision, a world-class polytechnic university. Mission, produce globally competent human capital and research innovation for quality lives. Goals, develop and sustain the culture of innovation, collaboration, responsiveness, and excellence. Core values, love of God and country, social responsibility, commitment, dedication to service, accountability.